So there's a little thing, a little toy that I built where you paste in the URL of a recipe page, and then, for example, this is this summary of a recipe page that was too long. So I use this summary.com tool to shrink down the page content a bit. And I pasted that link in here, hit submit, and through the wonders of video editing, YouTube, um, you can see here that what's been returned from the OpenAI API, where it kind of parses the text and then it gives me the ingredients. So you could kind of go to the store with this on your phone. Theoretically, this is just a toy. I don't think anybody would actually use this, and it would pretty much reach my API limits because I'm on a free level pretty quick. So don't all rush out to the store and try this. But anyway, so something kind of weird happened, and just before I show you that, I should show you the prompt. So if I show you my VS Code, my code screen, I could show you the prompt there. So here, can I make this bigger? Let me see. Oh, yes, I can. Yes, I can. So here you could see the prompt to the that I'm sending to the API is based on this recipe, the text that I have scraped using this beautiful soup scraper. Based on this recipe text, and here I concatenate recipe text, create a shopping list of ingredients as a list, basically. And then I pass that list through to the HTML template. And then right here, you can see here, shopping list. So here's where it appears in the template. And then it kind of loops over all the items in the shopping list and makes them into little checklists. So anyway, so that's the prompt. And then it does something kind of weird. So I noticed if I put in a random website that does not have any recipe, it'll just give me ingredients because I asked for ingredients. So let me try. Let's try a random one, codepen.io. Let's try see if that works. Ah, now it's going to give me an error. Okay. Well, that's too bad. It was quite funny because, of course, now that I'm recording, now that I'm recording, it's going to be behaving itself. Let's see. I typed in another URL before and it gave me like flour, sugar, baking powder. Yeah, it's giving me errors. Oh, that was too funny. I'm very sorry that this has occurred. Maybe the API is down or maybe I've reached my limit. Let's see if anything works. It did give me another very funny one with this jerk chicken. It gave me like the whole page back, which was very weird. Let's see what happens again. Oh no, now it's giving me an actual list. So I'm very lazy and I didn't remove the brackets or the quotes or anything from some of these. Sometimes it does gives me dashes. It's very strange with the OpenAI API. It gives different results just based on I don't know what. Like sometimes you regenerate the response from the same page, and it gives you different results. So it's super interesting. Just a little fun thing there. If you like to play around with it, I think I posted this code publicly. I'll put the link to the GitHub in the description, and let me know, what did you think? Give me some comments, some feedback, please, especially for the algorithm, for the YouTube algorithm. Any comments on this are appreciated. and let me know what you'd like to see in subsequent videos. Let me know what you think of this little toy. Have you tried using ChatGPT or the OpenAI API at all? Let me know in the comments. Thanks.